밤 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going going 은 언제나 너에게 going going.
Hi guys, meet again with Nikan Aulia Francisca, and this video I will chat with my friend Sophia about the world of agriculture. Don't skip watching until the end. Hi Sophia, how are you?
I am fine.
Sophia, here I want to ask a little about agriculture. Is that okay?
Of course, you can wear it.
Oh, okay, thank you. Let's start with the question. First, how important is farming in your country?
The agricultural sector is very strategic and important component the national economy. As a product, the majority and country gross domestic product profits the majority of export and generating of employers millions of people.
Is farming in your country in a healthy condition?
Until the year 2021, the agriculture sector experienced growth of around 1.48%, with a contribution to the national economy reaching 13.28%. In the middle of 2022, the agriculture sector also saw positive growth of the 1.37% and had a contribution up to 12.98% to the national economy.
What crops are farming in your country?
The commodity most processed in Indonesia is palm oil, natural rubber, paddy or rice, cocoa, coffee beans, ornamental plants, seaweeds and algae, and porang.
What livestock is raised in your country?
The most popular livestock, especially by Indonesian people, are breeder chickens and laying hens, predator pigs, goats, cow, and duck.
Do you think farming offers a good quality of life?
I think this question involves personal views and can vary depending on individual person. Farming can provide many benefits and contributes to a good quality of life for some people, while others might find happiness and a good quality of life in other profession or lifestyle.
How different is farming across the world?
The agriculture around the world varies greatly, depending on factors such as climate, geography, culture, technology, economic, and policy. Agriculture around the world varies greatly depending on factors such as climate, geography, culture, technology, economics, and policy.
What do you think of farming GM crops?
I think the cultivation on transgenic plants has a good cause, namely to important plant that such a resistance to pests, disease, and or certain and informal condition, or to increase crops yield.
How can subsistence farming become more profitable?
Several ways to make subsistence farming more profitable or product. For example, by crop diversification, use of sample technology, training on knowledge, access to markets, sustainable approaches, outseed assistance, collaboration with other farmers.
What do you think about the intensive farming methods used in the rice countries?
I think the intensive farming method used in rice country very well and are often related to social, economy, and environmental viewpoints. In many cases, efforts to combine the positive aspects of in-past agriculture with sustainable and environmentally friendly practice have been the approach taken by many rice countries.
Last question. Do you think farming of crop for beautiful a good idea?
I think agricultural crops so product purpose have considerable benefits in reduce carbon emission and decreasing energy costs, but also pose challenges such competition with food agriculture and environmental impacts. Therefore, the success of ID depends on wise and sustainable importation.
Um, Thank you, Sophia. Maybe that's enough question for me. Is there anything you want to ask me to?
Mm, I think there are a few questions I want to ask you. Is that okay?
Of course, you can, Sophia. What the question?
Okay, fine. First question. What are the challenges the farming industry faces today?
Uh, the challenge currently facing the agriculture industry is increasing security and rapid decline and the productivity of natural resources, while the demand for food is increasing rapidly as well as the growing human population.
Mm, does farming help or add to global warming?
Agriculture plays an important role in the meeting the world food need, but unsustainable agriculture practice can have a negative impact on the environment. Therefore, it is important to adopt environmentally friendly agriculture practices, implement strict regulation, and encourage innovation that support sustainable agriculture. With this approach, agriculture can play a role in the reducing its contribution to global warming.
Would you like to be a farmer?
Yes, of course, would be more practice to become an agriculture instructor.
Do you think we could save the world if we all went back to farming?
I think if we all contribute and focus on the agriculture sector, especially the younger generation, we will centrally be able to face the threat of a food crisis. In fact, there will be no such thing as a food crisis in the future.
Are you interested in farming now?
Yes, I'm very interested in agriculture news because there are many innovation, agriculture issue and development in agriculture sector to grow the world.
Would you prefer to work on a dairy farm or arable farm?
I don't think it's but because I don't like cow pets, which are usually dirty and smiley. But I like eating beef and drinking cow's milk.
Okay. Next, what do you know about animal husbandry?
Animal husbandry is the practice of raising livestock such as cow, goat, sheep, chicken, pig, and other animals for the purpose on various products, including meat, milk, eggs, and other animal products. It is an important part of the agriculture sector and plays a major role in the meeting the need for food and animal products worldwide.
Does agriculture help preserve the countryside?
Yes, of course, agriculture is very helpful because usually in village areas the majority of income is agriculture. But it is important to encourage sustainable and responsible agriculture practice to preserve the countryside and environment. This can be achieved through strict regulation, farmer education, and support for practice sustainable in agriculture.
Do you think government should encourage more organic farming?
I think organic farming does have a good impact on the environment because it will not pollute in the land, weather, air, and is sustainable. However, government that decide to encourage organic farming need to consider existing challenges such as low production while production costs are higher. strict regulation and slow transition.
For the last question, what do you mean the term urban agriculture?
Urban farming is the activity of growing, processing, and distributing food and other products through intensive cultivation of crops and livestock in the city and surrounding area, and raising natural resources and urban waste to obtain a diversity of crops and livestock. Urban farming is relevant to the increasing need for food in urban area and can also play a role in promoting local food security. Gitu.
Okay, Niken, thank you. Looks like that's now our conversation for now. I'll go now. Okay.
You're welcome, Sophia. Be careful on the road.
Okay, see you, Niken.
Bye bye, Sophia.